Each panel will need to be measured and cut to length, and both ends prepped for installation. The end that goes towards the gutter needs to be cut, tabbed, and bent down at a slight angle so that it will properly drain. And the end that will be up against the house needs to be cut, boxed, and sealed with caulk. Here you can see we are marking our line and then an additional line 3/4 of an inch beyond that on both sides. That additional 3/4 of an inch will act as the tab as we create the down bend and the boxed end. The length of your panel will be the measurement from against the house, or in our case at the end of the soffit area, to about halfway into the guttering. This end will be the end that gets bent down towards the gutter. As you can see, he makes an angled cut towards the line and then cuts the end off. Once that piece is cut, you'll want to come back with a screwdriver and be sure to open that tab back up. It tends to get pinched as you're cutting it with the snips. Then simply take the hand bending tool and bend a slight angle down. This end will be the end that is boxed in. We'll make another angle cut on the side, prying off that piece, and then folding the tab up to create a boxed end. Once again, we'll use the hand bending tool to bend the tab up, creating a box. After that, we'll use our silicone to fill in the cracks, making it watertight. And here again, we'll want to be sure to come back and use our screwdriver to open those tabs that can get crimped during cutting. We'll follow this procedure for all panels until we get to the final one, which has a slightly different process.